Hey everyone, welcome to Loops and Leather mini segment called Today I Did a Thing. And I did do a thing today. I actually took a step toward organizing my stash. So I have so much yarn and a lot of spinning fibers that I thought I really needed to take a few minutes out of my day today and find a way to start labeling things. So um, it's important to be able to know what your fiber content is if you're making finished products with your hand spun. I want to do some shows, and you need to label the fiber content on your finished garments as well as care instructions. It's technically a requirement from what I understand. So I didn't want to wait any longer to do this because I have some finished yarns that I have forgotten what what breed wool it was, or where I got them. So, every person that contributes to the natural fiber industry invests a lot of time and energy into producing their product. So whether they're growing, raising sheep and shearing, processing the raw wool, to dyeing, spinning, weaving, or crocheting and knitting, there's just a lot of work involved, and especially for independent artists. So it's important to me that I'm keeping track of where I get my supplies from, where I'm getting the fiber from, and also what the content is so that I can correctly label my finished work. So in this case, I have this beautiful multi-breed blend from Linda Eckers at the Farmhouse Girls Wool. You can find her on Facebook, and she custom made this color for me to go with the silk this tussa silk that I got from Nic White. So I found this gorgeous silk. It's a soft baby pink, almost silvery pink. It's got this really interesting tone to it, and also has some of this like bluish purple, almost a periwinkle, shot through it in spots. It's gorgeous. And I wanted a nice dark rose fiber to blend with it, like a heather. And Linda did an amazing job. I keep referencing this as bats, but I actually have a whole pound of this, so I have a bag. It's not a bat. This is just one bump from the bag of fiber that I have. So they're both great vendors. They're both on Facebook. I don't know if they have independent websites, but they're both on Facebook. So Farmhouse Girls Wool and Nic White. So anyway, I was looking for tags. I wanted something to help me label, keep me organized, so I know what is in my hand spun. When I finish spinning a yarn, I generally don't keep it in the skein because I know I'm going to have to put it into a ball before I actually use it. It's just how I work. So once it's set and dried, I wind it up on the ball winder, and now I have some awesome little tags to attach to it. This one I just kind of ran the end through the top of the tag, but I think that I'm probably going to actually use like a cotton string going forward and loop it through the tag and right through the center of the ball. It's going to keep it nice and secure, keep my ends secure, and so I don't lose that tag. But anyway, so I was looking on Pinterest for some tags that I could use and searching for yarn tags and hand spun labels. I just put in a couple of search terms and I came across these really, really cute tags. These are available for free on a fellow crafter's website. Her site is craftmehappy.com. I don't know her. I'm not affiliated, but wanted to give credit again where credit's due. And she has these available for free. You can print right from the website, or you can download a PDF and save it to your computer so that you don't have to look for it again. Or you can save her Pinterest pin if you're on Pinterest. And these tags have a spot for the fiber content, the color or the dye that was used if you're a dyer, the yarn gauge, how much you have there in length or meters, the weight in ounces, or I don't know how that would be. Well, anyway, in metric, but the yarn, the total weight of your ball or skein, and then your reps per inch. So this is great, especially the reps per inch super important for weavers, so you know what your set is going to be, what reeds to use, etc., etc. So I just wanted to kind of share this as a little bit of motivation for other spinners, and weavers. If you're selling or making finished goods, make sure you're properly labeling your pieces, and put some care instructions on there so that you spend so much time making. It just kind of makes me cringe to think that someone might take a 100% wool, or in this case a wool and silk wrap that I wove, and put it in the washer and dryer. They'll end up with a hand towel. So make sure you're helping your customers by properly labeling and providing them with care instructions so they can get years of pleasure out of the finished product that you make. Anyway, that's my tip for today. Go ahead and get organized. Don't delay, so that you aren't like me with finished yarns in your bin and you're guessing if it's merino, Polworth, or some other blend of fibers, and you will never ever know because you lost the tag or the cats ate it. And these are free. There's a bunch of different ones out there. Search around, check them out, find something that works for you, and keep organized up front, and it just kind of takes care of itself if you stick to the routine. So that's it for I Did a Thing today. And again, hope this is helpful. Everybody stay healthy. Check back. I've got a bunch of other tools. I'm going to do a little video on tools, I think, and that'll be coming up shortly. Like, subscribe, comment if you have suggestions, or if you have some tags that you really love or ideas for keeping your stash organized. I'd love to see your comments below the video. Take care, everybody, and don't forget to come back and keep an eye out for that tools video that I'm going to do coming up soon. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Have a great rest of your day.